Hi everyone, we're at 460 Woodmount Drive in Oshawa, Ontario, Unit 51. Beautiful end unit condo townhome. I want to introduce you to my top 5 reasons why I feel this property should be your next home. Let's get started.
Let's get right into it. Number 1, detached 1.5 car garage. Fit a car and a workbench. All your toys will fit in there. Men's den, it's yours. Number 2, wraparound deck. Great for sitting and having a coffee, reading a book, talking to friends. Just check out the scenery. Number 3, eat-in kitchen. Lots of room for the whole family here. Some nice upgrades with a backsplash, beautiful sun-filled room, lots of room to entertain. Number 4, professionally finished basement. Just more space to do what you want to do. Nicely finished rec room, coffee area or bar, den / office / bedroom, non-compliant without a window however. And last but not least, this gorgeous 3-piece bath with stackable laundry. Number 5, this is an end unit with southwest exposure, so you've got light in every room all day long. It really is a plant lover's paradise.
Well, thanks for joining us everyone today. I'm Albright with Real Estate Done Right at Right at Home Realty. If you're interested in this party, give me a call at 289-927-7560. This is 460 Woodmount Drive in Oshawa, Ontario, Unit 51. Talk to you soon and stay safe.